It's that time again for Michael's grab bags. This is their summer items they are getting rid of. Let's get started here on our first box. Now I bought 7 boxes. They are $5 each. So I got this wreath and I'm going to kind of just show you what one of the boxes looks like, and then I'm going to pull it all out and set it up so that you can see it. I chose this manner so that you didn't have to watch me pull out each item. So if you've watched my hauls before, that's how I did it. But I think this will go much faster and you'll be able to see the products and see what I got. So these little glass plates, 4th of July plates. These are little squirt guns and shields, really cute. Some really nice signs. Now this one here, this love grows best in happy homes, and then the flower one got a couple of those. Bunch of little picks for spring and summer, and these yeah, this sign right here, love it. I end up getting 3 of them. And these little houses too, I got quite a few of those, but those will be really easy to make over. And then this beautiful wreath, I'm so excited about this one to put up next year. It's so cute. And the retail of this haul is $236. Today's video is sponsored by GoCashBack. Follow the link down in the description and it will bring you to this site, and make sure you use my referral code, which is lisak. Now, what is GoCashBack? GoCashBack is going to give you a percentage of cash back on your online purchases. You even get $8 just for signing up. So many of the places that you shop online, you click on it here and then you get cash back. How great is that? So this is the website here, and now I'm going to go over and get the app myself because that's really going to make it easier. So I just go into my Play Store, I have an Android, and I get the cashback app here. Then I'm going to re-sign in here with where I had just signed up. And now I can go in there and I can start looking for the stores I shop at. So today's video is about Michael's grab bags. So guess what? Michael's is a participating store. Once you go in here, you click on it, it says 2% cash back, and now I can shop on their site and get 2% cash back on my purchases. If you're a desktop user, use the link in my description there to install the GoCashBack Chrome extension. It'll take you right here. You just add to Chrome right there in the top right, and now you have the extension on your browser, so whenever you're shopping at a GoCashBack participating retailer, it will automatically come up. All right, on to grab bag number 2. Now, you will see duplicates. You buy more, you'll have duplicates. Now, typically my store doesn't really like mix it up. They usually will just put all signs in one, all florals in one, and that can get frustrating. But also getting tons of duplicates could also get frustrating. So this year I noticed they really mixed them up. So I'm getting all sorts of different items in each box. I am getting lots of duplicates though. And sometimes you get some silly letters like this that I really can't use. Maybe you'll look out and your name is Elizabeth, or your last name is Evers or something like that. But I love these signs. Look at this sign. It is so good to make over. So is this one. I can paint those birds. I can paint that whole thing white and put on a cricket saying. You can use the backs of these wood signs. Again, here I can pop that off. I can use this to make over and make my own really great signs. This I'll put aside next year for 4th of July. I love it. I think these floral stems are really good too. I like them much better than the ones at Dollar Tree. So I got a lot of those. So I'm grateful because I will make a wreath with that next year. So $222 in that one. Now this is the only wreath I got that looks like this, and I think it is beautiful. Some other little kids things, some stems. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so this is kind of funny. You got this plant here. It's like a hanging over plant, and unfortunately looks pretty darn fake. These, I'm not really sure what those are. Maybe candle holders? And then two little keychain kits, which my daughter was excited about. Now this is pretty funny. I got these florals here, these tulips, and they actually have like fake bulbs at the bottom. So if you didn't like that, cut them off, no big deal. And the tulips will make a great spring decor for next year. I got quite a few of these plants. Not quite sure what kind of plant that would be. Some more kids kits here, a little wall decor unicorn. Looks like a little caddy here. You could put craft supplies in, but again, here's that wreath that is so beautiful. Now I do get some little wooden picks in another box, and I think that'll go great with that wreath. Okay, here is the next one. This one was pretty fun. It had these little like dollhouse things in it. And I have an 8-year-old daughter who loves to play in her Barbie dream house. So she was really excited to get her hands on these items. I always like it when there's something in there for her as well. So here, this is a sign that I wouldn't want, right? Old school football, but it's so easy to just put scrapbook paper over that or paint, and it's a great wood sign. Now that wooden shoe, if you're like vintagey looks, that's a pretty good find. A little charcuterie board for 4th of July. I put that up in my kitchen, and I will definitely use that next year for our 4th of July barbecue. So that's a fun little find. Now, some more of the red, white, and blue floral stems. Again, here are the cute little items for the dollhouse. Obviously, Barbie's a little big for that, but that's okay because she has a little dolls too, and so that's pretty exciting. I didn't even know Michael's had a little dollhouse line. Apparently didn't sell very well, or at least the lamps didn't because they made it into this grab bag. So plenty of signs to make over. I always look kind of for two things. These kind of signs, because they're so easy to make over and they look high end once I make them over, and floral stems. Floral stems, I mean, such a good deal. And this family pillow is very nice and high quality. And then some more of these little wood signs. Again, if you don't like this front, you can always flip it over. And this one was $245 in retail. Okay, these are the little picks I was talking about earlier, little fun summary picks that can go into these wreaths, or you know, you can use them for something else. Some more of those squirt gun things. So I'm actually got 6 of those, which is great because, again, I have an 8-year-old daughter and we have lots of little kids in the neighborhood, so now they can have a fun little squirt fight. Now, it says you can put some sort of safe paint in it, but heck no, I'm not putting paint in those for my kids. Some more of the houses, a lot more of these picks, some more of those plants. I did get several of those plants, and I'm kind of thinking I might put them in my yard because I live in California and everything's dead because we can't water because of drought, and maybe I can have a little greenery in my yard. You know, that would work. Another one of these wreaths. I think I got 3 of the strawberry wreaths. Now here's what I do. I throw up a few of my multiple items that I get on Facebook Marketplace, and I sell them for $5 each because this wreath here alone is like a $60 wreath. So selling it for $5 is a really good deal to somebody, right? And if I can sell a couple items for $5, I make my money back, and then all the stuff I kept is pretty much free. My daughter and I enjoyed these little candies, and then these two guys are just too cute. I put them right into my 4th of July tub for next year. I thought they were adorable. All right, I snapped a couple pictures of my duplicates. Kind of fun to see. She's excited for that one. Here are all the little pics I got that are summery and springy. 2 of these paintings, 4 of these signs, and 3 of these ones. I got a lot of these little signs, which are fine if they're duplicates because I'm making them over. These are all the plants I got and the wreaths I got. and a lot of these little houses, which also are easy to make over. Let me know down in the comments if you like the way I did this Michael's grab bag as opposed to being on camera and like showing you each thing. I think that takes a whole lot longer. All right, until next time, happy crafting.